Hello friends, today I'm doing the unboxing of cheap headphones from Dollar General. So I've got them at Dollar General. They are here. The box looks like this. It's from Airplay, I guess brand is called, but it also says Vibe Sound. Maybe brand is called Vibe Sound. I don't know. Let's see. So box looks like this, and they are true wireless earbuds in color white. No wires, just music. It says 12 hours total playtime, auto pair technology, and they were only $10, so that's really good deal. It has experienced powerful stereo sound features, compatible with smartphones and tablets, use Bluetooth wireless technology, and it has range up to 33 feet, charge time up to 1 hour, playtime up to 12 hours total. I will show you. Box looks like this. Will it focus on it or not? Yes, when I'm not in the area. Yeah, back looks like this. So let's open them. By the way, this video I'm testing my iPhone 14 Max Pro 2 in cinematic mode. I'm recording right now, and I'm also testing my tripod from Target with that ring light around. So I wanna see how the lighting is for this video. So it has here, looks like this, some small instruction. Here is some instruction. Cable, small cable. Small cable. Come with small cable. Below. See, it's hard to record on the stupid camera in iPhone because it's always tracking on face. So it comes with cable, charging case, which looks like this. Oh, it looks similar to Apple one. Open like so. Here it has some diode. Here is inside, looks like this. Here are specifications on back, and here are two earbuds. Let's take them out. It looks like this. How I pair them with my phone, for example. Let's see, I have here iPhone. Let's make sure, yeah, Bluetooth is on. And let's see if they were paired, but I have to read how you pair them. Red light means charging, and light off when full charged. Turn on. your earbuds. Press and hold multi-function button on both earbuds to power on both earbuds. Then wait till the indicator lights flash blue and turn on Bluetooth on your phone. So you do this. Turn them on both. This one is pairing and this one, yeah. This one is flashing. I don't know. Okay. Now let's see if they show up on the iPhone. Because they're both flashing. Yeah, it show up here. I click this. It says connected. Let's see how they play when. I think they feel like this. Okay, I hear. Not bad. Oh, let's see how YouTube goes. Not bad actually. Not bad. Let's see how music is on it. Not bad. But I recommend them for more for talking and YouTube talk and over the music, because music is little bit like not, I don't hear bass that well in it. Okay, and now I can remove them from the ears and put them in that thingy. Yeah, and I think red means they charging. See? Or not? Here. The diode inside is red. So that means they charging. Oh, and here you have blue light. That means that they charging, I guess. So yeah, that's my unboxing of this cheap headphones from the Dollar General. Recommend to try them out as they are only $10. So thank you for watching. Thumbs up and subscribe for this video. See you in the next one. Bye.